Hello! So, ang topic natin today is factoring of perfect trinomial square. So, paano ba mag-factor ng ganitong klaseng equation? So, una, kailangan nating ah, makita yung first term kung siya ba ay perfect square. So, halimbawa itong 4x squared, ang square root niya is 2x. Pangalawa, ito namang last term, kailangan perfect square din siya. So, ang square root ng 9y squared is 3y. So, yung second term, kailangan twice siya ng square root nitong first term, which is 2x, and square root naman nitong last term, which is 3y. So, ang answer dito is 12xy. So, 12xy. So, ibig sabihin, pasok itong equation na to para sa perfect trinomial square. So, paano natin naman makukuha yung kanyang factors? So, ang factor lang yan is yung square root ng first term. Then, yung sign niya is kung anong sign ng second term. Then, square root ng last term. Tapos, lagyan lang natin siya ng square. So, ganito lang kasimple yung factoring of perfect trinomial square. So, try natin na sa pang-example. So, itry naman natin itong example na to. X to the fifth minus 2x cubed plus x. So, tingnan natin kung yung first and yung last term niya ay perfect square. So, yung first term niya, x to the fifth, is not perfect square. Yung last term niya na x is not also a perfect square. So, pagka ganitong case, try muna natin kung pwede siyang gamitan ng common monomial. Which is, pwede siya dito. So, ang common monomial nitong equation na to is x. So, x times x to the fourth minus 2x squared plus 1. So, tingnan naman natin to equation na to kung pwede na siyang gamitan ng perfect trinomial square. So, perfect square yung first term, perfect square din yung last term. So, try natin. So, ang first term niya is x to the fourth, square root niya is x squared. Last term niya is 1, square root ng 1 is 1. And para sa second term, so twice the product ng square root ng first term at nung last term. So, ang sagot dito ay 2x squared, which is the same. So, kaya pag kinuha natin yung factor nito, meron tayong x squared, copy the sign of the second term, and yung square root ng last term natin, which is 1. And lagyan lang natin ng quantity squared. So, ganito lang mag-factor ng perfect trinomial square. Pero hindi pa to yung final answer natin dahil ito ay factor lang nito. So, ang kailangan natin mahanap ay yung factor nito at meron pa tayong x dito. So, susulat natin yung x. So, ito na yung ating final answer.